A second example of SOP, the student has expressed his desire to take admission in the field of economics. So he says that since his childhood, the functions of economy has always fascinated him, and he is more interested to understand what are these economic theories, how what is its use, okay, and finding out the connections. And he also says that this particular subject is being applied in everyday life of a common man. So for example, he says the brand of milk, the brand of soap, perfumes, or for that matter the gold rate, everything influences the exchange rates. Okay, exchange rate is the value of one currency for the purpose of conversion to another. For example, the Indian rupee being converted to the US dollars. Okay, so there is a calculation for that. Then he also talks about certain economic problem which our country is facing, like the problem of unemployment and poverty. So by studying these aspects in detail, he can understand how serious the problem is, and also thereby find out the solution for it. See, economics is actually a subject which is application based, so he finds it very fascinating and challenging. He says also that this subject deals with real life situation. He is also abreast with not only the Indian condition but also with the world economy, and that's why he says further, I want to study the ideas of behavioral economics. So these are various factors, okay, for example, poverty, unemployment, corruption, or whatever, any topic you take up, inflation, for that matter, all these areas, they study the behavioral economics. He wants to study the behavioral economics. Behavioral meaning how it affects the citizens on a psychological, on a cognitive, mental, on a social, cultural level, okay, and also on the rational decision making. So how can they come up with good and better decisions looking at the market situation. And he talks about a book that has always intrigued me. He says that has always interested him, and he wanted to know more about this. The book he has mentioned is Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman. That's why he has developed this desire to understand this subject more in detail. And as I said, one has to have a practical hands-on experience before joining or getting into any job. So he says, I have interned at an auditing firm, and thereby he has understood the importance of economics and finance for running a business, how important it is for running a business. And at the junior college level, his main subjects were economics and accounts. So that has helped him to grasp the analytical concepts at a blistering pace. Blistering meaning in a very fast and intense pace. And also he tries to show the connection between economics and maths. He says that these both are connected. And also he has been involved, as one can also mention about the extracurricular of co-curricular activities one is involved in. So he says that uh, it has changed his perspective, he has changed his outlook when at the Indian Model United Nations Conference he was a part of that, and in that he was a press corps writer assigned to the economic committee. So he was assigned that duty or that post of the press corps writer, and there he has been maybe on debate and listening to various speakers. He has tried to understand the intricacies, the different problems of the different challenges which are faced by the countries across the world, and what are the economic issues what are the problems that they are facing through. All that was discussed, so that has changed his perspective altogether. Then he also talks about his passion of writing. So that's the reason why he was being appointed as the sub editor of a school magazine committee. He proudly says that he has been the students council representative. Then he has taken part in the youth icon awards. And he has been all these. What does this show? That he has been a good team leader. He has got a good leadership quality as well. And then apart from that, he is also good in badminton. That's a sport which he was good in, and through that sport he has learned something important. That is, it has taught him a vital lesson to face the consequences of a poor shot. So if you perform badly, or if you've done something wrong, obviously you not get the end result, a good end result. So in badminton, the next shot, if one shot goes bad or wrong, then you have a next shot ready, and you have to perform well over there. That's what he says. You have to accept your mistakes and try to rectify it and move on. Apart from that, he says he's good guitarist, amateur guitarist, and music has a wonderful quality of relaxing, soothing the mind. And then finally, he concludes that I firmly believe that the analytical tools from the field of economics and mathematics are essential for deep understanding. So he tries to draw a connection between economics and maths. And finally, he tries to convince the panel by saying that Delhi is one of the best universities that can offer uh, the subject of economics, and he expresses his deep desire that he wants to get admission over there with this sole reason of understanding the economic theories and trying to find out the possible solution which the country needs. So we've seen how in a beautiful way we can frame the statement of purpose. The purpose is basically to seek admissions into the Indian university or any foreign universities. I hope you've understood this chapter. Thank you.